Hi, fourth graders.
Hi, fourth graders.
At the end of each school year, the fourth grade students are asked to design a cover for the Coolidge School Directory. Here are a couple examples of directories past.
Here are some examples of directories past. What is a directory, anyway? Well, the Coolidge School Directory is a list of information containing names, addresses, emails, and homerooms of all the students in Coolidge School. Some of these designs are very simple and some are very detailed. Think about what you want your design to look like. Begin by sketching out some ideas on an extra piece of paper. This step is just to help you plan out what you will draw in your final design. We will be using printer paper folded in half for our design. I'm also using this for my rough sketch. You will need to write or draw the words Coolidge School Directory 2020-2021 on the cover, so this is a great time to make sure that your spelling is correct. Be as creative as possible with the way you write it and where you write it. Once you've decided what you want your design to look like, now is a good time to go to google.com, click on Images, and search up the images that you'd like to draw. The best way to do this is to search whatever you want to draw. For example, cougar, search it as a cartoon cougar or a clip art cougar. So anything you're looking for, the best way to search it is as cartoon or clip art because it will give you the simplest form of it. Find the one you want and use that as a reference to draw from. Just look at it and draw it the best you can. I searched up a couple different examples of things. I even searched font, different ways of drawing letters for you to get some inspiration. Now it's time for you to prepare your paper. Take your piece of copy paper that's folded in half, and you're going to draw some guidelines with a ruler or a folder, anything with a straight edge. These guidelines are for you to create your letters on. You'll also notice I'm doing my letters in the same way that you've probably seen me do them before. I'm creating bubble letters by lightly drawing out the letter, giving it some space, and then creating lines all the way around the letters to create a neat-looking box or bubble letter. If you want to change the font, you can do that too. Be sure not to use colors on your design. Notice that these designs are just drawn in black ink or in pencil and then traced in black. There's no color. You can fill in some spots with black if you'd like or make pattern. Let's review everything you need. Directory cover guidelines. Use a piece of copy paper folded in half like a card. Hold your folded paper vertically to draw. Use references to draw from. Be sure to include Coolidge School Directory 2020-2021 in your design. Be sure to check your spelling and have an adult check it too. Do not color it in. You can outline your design in black marker and fill in some areas with black marker. Be sure to put your first and last name on the drawing. Be creative. To turn in your design, use a smartphone to take a clear picture of your design and email it to dboyle@wyckoffschools.org before this Friday, June 19th, 2020. This is an optional assignment. Anyone who turns in a design following the guidelines listed will have an opportunity to be chosen to have his or her artwork as the cover for the upcoming school year's directory. Good luck with your designs, and I can't wait to see what you come up with.